Alright, today I want to show you a kind of like a big surprise rose for me this spring. This is a Cinderella Fairytale rose that I planted last year from bare root. It is, I didn't expect it to be a climber honestly when I planted it, because I thought it's a shrub. And obviously it want to climb for me here this year. And last year it didn't do anything at all for me, and I was so disappointed, and I was like, well, maybe it's one of those roses that it's not gonna grow well for my region. And I think I am wrong, really, because look at this. It has sent out cluster of a bloom along the entire cane, and I'm very glad that I didn't cut off those cane, because I didn't expect it to be a climber, right? So, but and look at all those blooms that it sent out. It was just crazy. And you can also see that this is the amount of cluster it gives. Like, it's pretty amazing. Like this cluster, I think I counted, it has about 13 buds on it. So it really is one of those roses that want to climb and give you a big show in the spring. Now, I'm not sure if this year it will repeat better for me in summer. Probably yes, probably not, but we shall see. Let me show you how. And now, because it's a climber, but I plant it as a shrub, so I don't really plant it well where it's supposed to be climbed. So let me show you how I deal with this situation. So if you can see, this is the entire looks of his plant. So I actually spread it out in between these two are. I mean, luckily it's in between these two are. So I like how I fan it across my Barock and also my Red Eden. I mean, it doesn't look too bad together if you see it, isn't it? Right? It's not too bad looking, right? So it seems to work out well that way, and so I'm just really excited about this. I'm gonna keep it for sure, of course. You know, looking at that, and it's very healthy actually. I don't really have much problem with this rose in terms of disease. Really, it just grow and grow. But I was pretty unhappy last year because of how weird it is and it doesn't bloom and all. But now I know why. It's because it's a climber. It's normal for the climber that doesn't perform in the first year. So there you have it. This is Cinderella Fairytale. It doesn't have much fragrance to my nose. I don't believe I notice too much of the fragrance at all. But it's a very cute spray. It has some fresh flora smell to it. It's a pleasant smell. So look at that. So if it's something that you consider to get, just keep in mind that it is actually a climber. There you go.